that we have. Yes, guys, the Labor Days savings are here. Labor Day. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make for review videos. That's the way YouTubers to platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, we got the 553 results. The Home Depot Labor Day savings or Labor Day weekend, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, there's a lot to choose from. There's a lot of brands. It's just basically like an overview of what you can do with this BOGO deals with these hacks. You guys could get a lot of deals. There's a lot of them right now. I'm guessing my guess is they're trying to get rid of old inventory, especially those batteries. They're trying to get rid of all those batteries, the HO batteries, the 5 amp hour batteries, and they're gonna get the newer stuff, the newer lithium pouch type of battery, a lithium stackable battery. All right, so you got the buy one get one free. The first one we're looking at here is the $4.99. This is the 6.2 combo kit with the 3 amp hour. This are mostly brushed tools. As you guys do see, $4.99. And then always when you see something like a buy one get one free, you always go here to the free with purchase. So you select that. Obviously, you're gonna select the amount with the biggest amount so you can get the better deal, unless you really want a specific tool from here. But you're gonna want to select, like if there's a 149 here, I would definitely select the 169, and that's gonna get you the best deal there. So let's close this out, and that's just an example of what you can do. We're just looking to look at other tools that you guys could find, like this one. This one's a pretty good deal. Now these are brushless tools. For $229. Once you put the hack in, you're gonna get these for like around $140 around there. So that's a really good deal on 2 tools. Definitely check it out because it does have that free. Let's see what you get for free on this one. Yeah, you get that $89, so you're gonna get around 50 to, let's say, $70 off on that one if you return the battery and just keep the 2 tool combo kit. You got the angle grinder. You guys could hack the angle grinder too. Same thing. This drops down to like 130 around there. So on this one, you get to select 149 from the battery. So you're gonna get it's gonna drop down to 130 around there. Let's see. Oh, these are really good, guys. You got the SDS Plus rotary hammer. This is actually at the stores. All these deals are at the stores. You guys can currently get these at the stores. On the end caps, that's where they're at. But yeah, this one's a really good deal if you're planning on getting something like this. This is the fuel, so see, it's valued at $169. You're not gonna get the full $169 out of it. You're at least gonna get $100 off, So you're gonna get this for around $200, or maybe a little bit more than $200. So that's really good deal. Same thing with this one. This is super deal here. You're gonna get this for really cheap. You get the battery worth for $89. It's gonna drop to I'll say $70 worth. So it's gonna drop down to maybe I would say about $90 something. Just a guesstimate. And then if you want to get if you don't want to do that, mess with the buy one get one free thing, you can always go here to something like this and just buy the kit, or not the kit, but the one that already includes the battery, so $199 for that. Like this one's a really good deal, guys. I used to have this one. I ended up selling it because I want to get the DeWalt. But this is a really good deal because I got mine for $6.99. I got mine for $6.99 without these batteries, and I ended up buying those 2 batteries separately. And this is the same price right now for $6.99. And you're gonna get 2 12s, guys. Two HO 12 amp hour batteries are in a rapid charger with that one. So that's a really good deal if you want to get this. If you do a lot of like metalworks, a lot of welding and stuff like that. If you build, cars, even if you do concrete work, plumbing and all that stuff. This is a great little saw. If you're doing indoors, this is a great saw because you're not having fumes and stuff like that. It's powerful enough that it'll get the job done. Just keep in mind that these batteries, the lowest you can run, I would say 12 amp hour batteries. If you have 3 or 4, that'll work even better. That'll just keep the tool on working. because this thing eats batteries like crazy. I do have a video on this one if you guys want to see it in action. I'll see if I can link it up above or something like that for you guys. All right, so all these same thing, guys. We got a buy one get one free on the saw. This is the fuel circular saw, 7 1/4. So these are top of the line sidewinder basically. $249. Same thing. You know, after you select the battery, killer price you're gonna get on those. You got the surge on this one. Same thing. Buy one get one free. And then you got the oscillating tool. I believe there's a one that's with the fuel. The fuel oscillating tool, guys, is coming up, I believe, on the hacks, the new hacks that are coming. So I would definitely wait on this one for next month. You got the reciprocating saw. This is a super saw. So I do have this. I currently bought this. I got this deal with the hack. This is a really good deal, guys. If you guys are looking forward to get into this line, the saw after the hack, this is gonna drop down about $100. So you guys are gonna get that for like around $149. That's a really good deal. This one is a killer deal, guys. I can't stress this enough. One's a really good deal. This is the HP brushless coreless 4-mode 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench with the 4 amp hour battery, high output performance battery for $159, guys. That's a really good deal. If you're into the Ryobi platform, even if you're not into any of these platforms, that's the one to get if you need an impact wrench. It is the high torque. Just keep that in mind. All right, so you got the fuel here. I believe this one's the one that's going to be on September 5th. So just keep that in mind. This one you can get a free tool with this one. I believe these are brushless tools. Yeah, these are brushless tools. Just keep in mind you're just getting the circular saw and the hammer drill and 2 batteries, charger in the bag. So $299. I mean, if you hack it, I would definitely worth the the $200 you're gonna pay for it. All right, let's see what else they got here. And this is, by the way, this is just the Home Depot Labor Day events on the page. It's not nothing scientific. All you do is click on the Labor Day savings and then just go to tools, and it'll just take you here. So I'll leave the link down below in the description section. There's nothing, no code or nothing to find this. All right, you got the high torque. This is the. Let's see what you get for free on this one, because if it's a good deal, then yeah, it's $149. It's not gonna be the best deal, but you are getting 2 batteries here. It's gonna down to 300, and I'll say they're gonna give you about $100 in credit, so around $379. Yeah, it's not the best deal. I mean, if you really need it, this is the time to get it. But other than that, not the best deal. This is a pretty good deal, guys. This is the 1-inch SDS Rotary Plus tool, the Rotary tool. Then you got the angle grinder for $329. That's pretty good. $150 a piece. Well, basically $150 for this one, $170 for. Yeah, that's a really good deal, guys. That's a smoking deal on that one. All right, they got the brushless cordless. Same thing without the free tool. Let's see this one. Oh yes, guys, I forgot. Yes, with this videos coming up. I don't know if I'm gonna release it today or the next day after this video. This one's a killer deal, guys, because you're only paying $169 for this one, plus you're getting a free tool. This is a killer deal, guys. Make sure you guys get it, even for a spare, for just to have it around the house. $149. Obviously, you want to get the one that's more expensive. That $149. This is the one that I got. So after you, just gonna put an example here. You add both to cart. All right, allow. See, $89, guys. $89 for an impact driver, a drill, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. $79 for a 6.5 circular saw, brushless subcompact circular saw. These are all brushless tools. That's just a killer deal, guys. Killer deal. All right, there's just a lot to choose from. I mean, I could spend hours on this, but is it gonna let me go back? Yeah. All right, let's see what else they got. And you can highlight it like this, and it'll tell you if it's a free tool or not. Like this one, you highlight it, and it tells you if buy one get for. This is actually not a bad little deal here. No, it's not brushless. All right, so they got the circular saws with the battery. So this is together. So if you want to hack them, you have to go to the bare tool and then just put the battery manually. So if you want to hack that. Let's see what else. Any free tools with this one? Nope, no free tools. This one, yeah, definitely this one. This one you do get a free tool. And this one's the bigger one. This was the 6-inch, so 4.5 to 6-inch angle grinder. Let's get that in mind. And like I said, you know, they're gonna mix and match all these deals. So on this one, they're gonna put you the battery together with the tool. Oh, this was another great deal. They just, you know, it came out about a couple weeks. This is a killer deal. This is the Hog, the Gen 2 brushless cordless 1/2-inch whole hog right angle drill. This thing's a beast, guys. $2.99. However, this is not the newest tool, but this is still the fuel. So I heard a lot of, you know, the Super Hog is the bigger one, the more powerful. But this one should be good enough for you guys, because this one's a lot of torque on this one, this guy. So you're gonna be able to choose the free tool. I would definitely choose the 219. What's up with this one? You can choose this one. Oh, maybe you can do like a double hack there. But yeah, this one's gonna be the free tool, and you're gonna get knocked down. You're gonna get this for like around $180. So killer deal on that. I'm just gonna try and go quick here. There's just a lot to choose from. This one, what is this? The fuel SDS Max, the 1 3/4 SDS Max. It's $1,199. This is the kit, but it does come with two 12s. Let's see how much you. Oh boy. Yep, you guys could select another 12, get 3 batteries. It's gonna add them both to the cart, see how much you get off. Yes, guys, it drops down to $889. Almost 200 bucks. Yeah, 200 bucks off. Oh, isn't that crazy? Crazy deals. Crazy time without these Labor Day sales. And I do apologize. I'm trying not to make this video longer, but this computer does not respond. Alright, so same thing with the pack-out light. I do have this pack-out light. I think that thing's a beast. It's like a Milwaukee tower or rocket light, but in a pack-out light. And it does charge your battery. You can plug this in and charge it. Yeah, it says built-in charger. Yeah, that thing's a beast. Let's see what else we got. Let's try to hurry up here. Die grinder, same thing, guys, like this. See, you guys get to see the die grinder with the battery, but in order for you guys to hack it, you have to put it in separately. So let's see what else we have here. There should be more. All right, so this is the mid torque impact wrench. This thing is a beast. If you want to take the lug nuts off, $4.59. But there's a better deal if you guys want to go bare tool on that, or just wait. The ratchet, yep. The ratchet, you're going to have some hacks coming on the ratchet. I don't know if it's the same ratchet or not, but you guys could hack it right now or just wait for the newer hacks. Alright, so let's see what else we got here. You guys could get a free battery. Yes, like on this one. These are already at the stores, by the way. So this is the kit, guys. These are the newer HP brushless oscillating compound miter. So I believe you can get the track saw and the table saw kits with batteries, and you can select the free tool with purchase. Like go up here and get yourself a nice discount with this around $100 off. So that's a really good deal on a brand new tool. And they should be solid because they're brand new basically. And then you got the whole hog here with the different style, the quick lock. I would definitely get the other one over this one, by the way. Is this a super hog? No, it's just a regular one. Alright, here's another SDS. This is a 1 9/16 SDS Max Rotary hammer kit with 2 8-amp-hour batteries for $8.89. So this is very similar to the other one, different size though. You got the 1 1/8. I believe you can get a discount with, or or free tool. Yeah, same thing. Like I said, table saw, free batteries. So I'm gonna go. Oh, this is a really good deal, guys. This is another deal that we saw about 2 or 3 weeks ago. If you guys cut this in half, you guys gonna get the super. This is the super hog, guys. You guys see here, this is the Gen 2 Super Hog. This is superior to the other tools. So if you guys want like the ultimate power, this is the beast. This is the one to get. And plus you get the super saw here, reciprocating saw. So this is a really good deal, $5.19. Definitely check it out. Alright, so let's see what else. Ridgid. Yeah, Ridgid, same thing, guys. You buy the Ridgid tool, get yourself a free battery. This is even $79. Is it gonna be any cheaper? No, it'll just get you the free battery, I guess. Yeah, it's already in there. I don't know if you could do it manually. You might be able to do it manually and just get a better deal. I'm just gonna go to number 5. This is the last one. Let's see what else. Circular saw. Is this a track saw? Nah, that's just a. It says free gift with purchase. See what? You get 3 batteries, or you can select the 2 batteries or the charger. So on this one, you get to select the 2 batteries, 1/3 valued at $139, which I would definitely go for this one if you have the charger or the charger and the. And then you guys can hack this thing. It's crazy. Same thing with the angle grinder, the hog, and the one reciprocating saw. All right, guys. Now this is where it becomes to get interesting. Like this one. This one we saw with the other. We saw it with the with the reciprocating saw, but then here, if you guys, this is the ultimate super hog. This is the best of the best. The more torque. The king of the drills, basically. All right, so this is yep, you guys could get that. So definitely go with that. I'm gonna put this in there. See how much we can get it down to. All right, guys, you're gonna get this for $283. Killer deal, guys. I'm not gonna keep going. This video is gonna be way too long already. Check it out. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can buy more tools like this. Make more to review your videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.